For startups, building an online presence quickly and effectively is critical to gaining visibility, attracting early customers, and establishing credibility. Google Business Profile is an essential tool that can help startups achieve all of this in 2025. In this video, we'll explore how startups can leverage Google Business Profile to grow their business and make a strong impression from day one. The first step for any startup is to create a complete and accurate profile. Include your business name, address, phone number, website, and hours of operation. Even if your startup operates remotely or without a physical storefront, you can specify your service area to ensure potential customers know where you operate. Accuracy and consistency in your information help build trust and make it easier for clients to find you. Next, focus on writing a clear and compelling business description. Explain what your startup does, the problem it solves, and the unique value you offer. Use relevant keywords that potential customers might search for, but keep the description natural and easy to read. This not only improves your visibility on Google, but also communicates your brand story effectively to new clients. Adding high-quality images and videos is another key strategy. Showcase your products, services, team, or workspace to give potential customers a visual sense of your startup. Videos in particular can highlight your innovation, processes, or success stories, making your profile more engaging and memorable. A visually appealing profile encourages clicks, inquiries, and visits. Engaging with customer reviews is crucial, even for new startups. Encourage early clients or beta users to leave feedback and respond professionally to all reviews. Positive reviews build credibility, while thoughtful responses to negative or constructive feedback demonstrate that your startup is committed to improvement and customer satisfaction. Startups should also utilize posts and updates to share announcements, launches, promotions, or events. Regular updates signal that your business is active and engaged, helping attract potential customers and investors alike. Additionally, using the Q&A section to answer common questions up front can reduce confusion and increase customer confidence. Finally, take advantage of insights and analytics provided by Google Business Profile. Track how customers discover your startup, what actions they take, and which features drive the most engagement. This data helps you make informed decisions about marketing strategies, profile improvements, and customer outreach, ensuring your startup grows strategically. By following these strategies, completing your profile, writing a strong description, adding visuals, engaging with reviews, posting updates, and analyzing insights, startups can use Google Business Profile to build credibility, attract customers, and grow their business efficiently in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more startup tips and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Start optimizing your Google Business Profile today and give your startup the visibility it deserves.